Okay, we got our Kitchenaid stand mixer delivered by the Amazon guy. And I've learned you probably should open it up from the bottom. Where does it say model number on here? Anyway, it's the Professional 600 series bowl lift stand mixer. I believe it's 575 watts. It says #1 mixer brand in the world. It doesn't mean this is the #1 mixer in the world. Okay. It showed, now here it is. Model KP26M 1XER. Okay, so we're gonna do that again. Well, we have thrashed around and punished ourselves over which model to get. She wanted the lighter model.
Artisan.
Yeah, Artisan. And it comes with the Kitchenaid. Anyway, it comes with the Kitchenaid stuff. If you want to get, here's the Kitchenaid manual on it, I guess. Stand mixer bowl lift, which means it doesn't tilt back. If beater hits bowl upon first use, see user manual. Adjusting beat. Anyway, you stick a dime down in the bottom and you adjust it up and down until you just move the dime about 2 inches at a time. We watched the movies that show you how to do that. Anyway, it tells you if product emits unusual odor upon initial use, new electrical motors will often emit an odor upon initial use. This is normal. If product shuts off after extensive use, the motor has automatic sensor that will keep the motor from overheating. If top of the mixer feels warm to the touch after extensive use, after use, it is normal for the motor to heat up and feel uncomfortable to the touch. Important, please do not return product to store. No, we wouldn't. We would go through Amazon. Okay. Here is the shroud that keeps things from flying all over the place when you're putting flour inside of your thing. Okay, there's the dough hook. And this looks pretty nice. It looks like, Deni, it doesn't look like it's burnished. It looks like it's coated. So I do believe that's coated.
It's coated.
Oh, okay. Okay. Here's the paddle. What do you call that? It's what you mix. That wasn't nice. Also coated. Not burnished. I don't think I like the way this is packed. The things come flying out at you when you open it up. Okay. Okay, and this is for the stuff that you buy, the attachments. Okay. Huh. Zip tie through the blades on the plug. Short cord, but it's long enough for what we need it for. Okay, there you go. Here's your whisk.
It's going to be a wire rip, yeah.
That was stainless steel. That doesn't look stainless steel.
It's stainless steel.
Okay, it's stainless steel. Okay, and then it comes with some kind of register your smartphone. Okay, last time I did that, it was disastrous.
Yeah, don't register it.
It says hand wash only. Washing in dishwasher will cause wire whip to discolor. Oh, okay. stainless steel, from what I understand, you should do an acid wash of the inside of this before first use.
Or wash it 3 or 4 times.
Or use vinegar maybe. That's an acid. Okay, and then it's got 10 speeds, 575 watts, 6 quarts in the stainless steel bowl. And then you raise it up and down with this. And then it's got this little screw here that you use to adjust the height if it can't quite get down into the egg yolks and stuff like that. What to do is you put a dime in there, like I said before. You get it going until you can just move the dime 2 inches at a time. We've done our homework. Okay, well that's the unboxing of the Kitchenaid 600 series, 6 quart, 575 watt motor. It's a nice unit.
Okay.
Okay, this is kind of a second take where we've adjusted. Hold on, let me kind of review what I did. It has to be in the down position. The paddle has to be out. Okay, and you got the screw in the back here. Now, when we got it, it was cranked all the way that way. So in the factory mode, the way we got it, let's see how much clearance there is now. Okay, there's all kinds of, go ahead and film down the bottom. Yeah, it was raised up quite a bit. So, here we go. We're going to lower it. And take this off. And then we're going to start with maybe a half. Oh, that sets it all the way, so you can only go a half turn, barely. So I'm gonna give it a little play. It is catching it. It's not moving it to 2 inches, but so I think I'll move it a little further. Okay. So basically, it's and goes the entire distance or entire travel of the adjustment. Well, I wouldn't say that was too. But I think that's probably all we need. And maybe I know, I didn't have it up at 2. You're supposed to have it set at 2. Hold on, get it back, let me get in there. Try that. Okay, let's go to 2. I'm going to call that a done deal. Guess you want to wash this out again after having that dirty dime in there.
And we'll just kind of rinse it out with a quick. Towel. And stick that on. I'm going to wash this off. And that should work. Okay.
Okay, now she's going to spoil me.
Well, you're going to be doing using the machine.
Well, if I'm using the machine, you're gonna have to do the video work.
How do you do this? I'm gonna put it here. Like that.
You want me to put this back on a machine?
I think you better, yeah.
Okay. What you do is tip it forward, get it lined up on the pegs, and then just push down in the back. There we go. Takes a little pressure. And I guess we may as well put the whisk on there.
Because this is Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry mix. Push this away from you, and that should grab. Let me see. Yep, not touching, but just barely.
So I'm separating the eggs.
Okay.
Then in the sink.
Some people would just do that by putting it in their hands and letting it, letting your hands do the egg separation. But I like this method better.
What's a little? Okay, so now we start the machine.
Okay, how fast, how slow?
I don't know, you're whipping.
You want to start slow and gradually increase. We're trying to fluff this up, right? Oh, yeah.
You whip the egg yolks up like this. This is just our Tom and Jerry.
Old-fashioned chef way. Yeah, we're making my dad's mix handed down by my grandmother.
Okay.
Well, this is looking pretty good here so far. Just imagine if you were doing that by hand with a tuna tartare.
Well, it comes up in stiff peaks.
You tell me when.
Okay, let's see if it comes up in stiff peaks.
It looks stiff to me.
Yeah, that looks like it. Okay. Put it back up.
Now we're going to mix in the egg yolks that have been beaten.
Well, actually, we mix in 2
Oh.
cups of confectioner sugar.
2 cups of confectioner sugar.
Caramel. So we put it on low, the first one.
You want me to go low now?
Yeah.
But we have to raise it up, right? No, it is raised. What's going on here? It's not doing it. It's kind of hanging out. You probably have to.
Okay, let's turn it off. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Okay.
Getting up to about 4. That's up to 10. Now we probably should take a spatula and take stuff off the sides here. Let me push this down. See if you can get scrape that stuff down into the mix.
Add the egg yolks too.
Adding the egg yolks. Adding the egg yolks.
See, when you make these, you have used boiling water in it, and you don't worry about, oh boy, the eggs not being, the eggs being raw.
Oh, yeah. Well, when we do our mix,
This one.
we'll put boiling water in it.
Okay. And that should do it for the tomato.
And that might is really good for you. So we're about done.
I think your dad and your grandma would be very happy with the
Oh, yeah,
outcome
no kidding.
recipe.
She would have had one of these things.
She probably did.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take that. And what you have is
And there's our mix. And we've added some spiced rum this time. Before we were just getting that gold rum. And then we had the clear rum, and now we got the spiced rum. And that adds a nice bite to it. That makes it nice. Okay, so that's our mix for now.
and then you just take boiling water and you put
You boil your water, you put it in
3
a mug.
tablespoons of this in a mug and pour the water in with some rum and brandy
And you can add cinnamon too if you want.
and then nutmeg.